Hello, I'm Shadow. We will learn about bankruptcy. Bankruptcy is a legal process through which people or other entities who cannot repay debts to creditors may seek relief from some or all of their debts. In most jurisdictions, bankruptcy is imposed by a court order, often initiated by the debtor. When this happens, bankruptcy offers an individual or business a chance to start fresh by forgiving debts that simply cannot be paid while giving creditors a chance to obtain some measure of repayment based on the individual's or business's assets available for a liquidation. Bankruptcy filings in the United States fall under one of several chapters of the Bankruptcy Code, including Chapter 7, Chapter 11, and Chapter 13. Let's start with Chapter 7, which involves the liquidation of assets. It allows them to dispose of their unsecured debts, such as credit card balances and medical bills. Non-exempt assets, such as family heirlooms, second homes, and cash, stocks, or bonds must liquidate the property to repay some or all of their unsecured debts. These assets and exempts such as clothing, household goods, personal vehicle and others are worth up to a certain value and may end up repaying no part of their unsecured debt. Next, in Chapter 11 of Bankruptcy, which deals with company or individual reorganizations. It allows a company to create plans for profitability, cut costs, and find new ways to increase revenue. Therefore, the preferred stockholders may still receive payments except common stockholders. For example, a housekeeping business and hotel can file Chapter 11 bankruptcy might increase its rates slightly and offer more services to become profitable. And finally, Chapter 13, which arranges for debt repayment with lower debt covenants or specific payment plans. Individuals who make too much money to qualify for Chapter 7 bankruptcy may file under Chapter 13, also known as a wage earners plan. In exchange for repaying their creditors, the courts allow these debtors to keep all of their property, including otherwise non-exempt property. Other bankruptcy filings such as Chapter 9, determining its financially distressed municipalities. Chapter 10 bankruptcy filing was retired due to its complexity. Chapter 12 bankruptcy provides relief to family farms and fisheries. And Chapter 15 bankruptcy is to promote cooperation between U.S. courts. So this topic we have learned about bankruptcy. Like, comment, and subscribe now.